Why does your scanner show the P007A engine code? What does it mean? P007A is a diagnostic trouble code for charge air cooler temperature sensor circuit bank 1. The P007A code indicates that the PCM has detected an abnormal, missing, or invalid signal from the charge air temperature sensor after the turbocharger. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty CAC temperature sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, internal intercooler blockages, air duct leaks, powertrain control module issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Range Rover and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.